What's going on, YouTube? So I wanted to talk to y'all about what you should do every single day to get better and to grow and to not feel stagnant. You probably feel stagnant if you're watching this video. Now, the first thing is the most obvious. It's to just practice every single day. Like, don't let a day go by where you don't practice, whether it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, hour, 2 hours. Just try to practice. Practice the things that you have trouble with, the things that frustrate you. And I guarantee you, if you practice them every single day, they're going to get better. So for the longest time, like, I couldn't do certain like riffs and runs, and it was hard for me to play like the jazz scale. So when I just started playing it more and more and practicing more and more, it just came to me naturally. So I would say number one thing, just practice every single day. Number two is get out of your comfort zone, I would say. So if you're comfortable with playing just a C chord, a regular C chord, get out of there. Like, try something else. Try more like a C major 7, right? Or you could try C major 9, okay? How do you find a C major 9? If you know how to play add 2, here's another thing. Instead of just playing C like this, just add the second note in there. That's another way. Get out of your comfort zone. Add the second note. Or once you add the second note, you can move the C up down a half step, and that gives you C major 9. So I'm playing B, D, E, G, right? And then C in my left hand. It gives me a C major 9. So get out of your comfort zone. And a lot of times I see people just playing a single note in their left hand. So if I play a C chord, right, in my left hand, they just play the 1 right here, one single note. Right hand plays, C, G, E. Like, add the fifth note in your left hand. Play perfect fifths. I play perfect fifths a lot. So the right hand's playing perfect fifths. I do that a lot. I like that. Or you can play octaves with the perfect fifth in the middle. Okay. Okay, so it's all about getting out of your comfort zone and trying new things. If you need help on some of these things, I did a video on how to play minor ninths. I did a video on other things like passing chords and stuff. And that leads me to my third thing, is learn how to play passing chords. I think me learning passing chords was when I was like a youngin', and I would play, and I would just go from like the 1 to the 6 to the 4 to the 5 and whatnot. That was good and all, but I was stagnant, and it just sounded pretty basic when I would do that. But when I started to learn passing chords, you know what I mean? You see how different that sounds now? It sounds a little bit better. So get out of your comfort zone, learn passing chords, because the passing chords they have that I teach in some of my videos. I just did a 2-hour video on how to do this in all 12 keys. Sorry, it's a 1-hour video. But what I'm getting at is that these passing chords that I teach y'all in my other videos, it has different things like that. It has tritones. It has minor 7 flat 5 chords, right? It has flat 9 chords, dominant. This is an E dominant 7 flat 9 note 5. Like, what is that? Like, I teach that stuff. Get out of your comfort zone. Start learning these chords, these passing chords, these dominant 7 chords. Test yourself. You know what I'm saying? Like, test yourself, push yourself to see how far you can go, to where it's like, man, this is so overwhelming. But then, like I said, step 1, practice every single day and repeat. Get out of your comfort zone. Learn new chords, new this, and this, till a point where it's overwhelming, and then repeat again. Back to step 1. Once you get overwhelmed, practice that overwhelming concept, and you'll get better over time, and then next thing you know, you'll just be playing, and it'll just be natural. You know what I mean? And whatever key you want to play in. So those are my tips for you. I hope you found this video useful. Appreciate you guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and stay in touch. Leave a comment. Peace.